These mega posters right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's protecting the wheels so that they don't fall off. Because then the truck can't do it. But it can still roll because the mega posters, when it's doing a big stunt, it just doesn't. It needs some mega posters. Because we don't want the tires to break off, right? Don't want it to, because then the truck has to get refixed and it'll miss the whole show. And then after it's getting refixed, it can drive straight back into the show, and it can play. But if the mega posters are not put on and the truck comes down, the wheels will just break off and then. But the mechanics know what to do because the mega posters are easy. See how they roll? This. So, and on the inside is the screw so that they don't fall off. But they're really a mega poster and a screw. When they're not stuck on, they'll just fall off very easily. Or just fall off. Just really fall off very easily.
Why are the tires so big?
Because if they're doing a stunt, they don't want to jump low with small wheels. They want to jump high like this with big wheels. Because big wheels do that, right, Grandma?
Mm-hmm. Brought to you by Connor's Truck Life.
And 3 Monster Trucks.
Does it have any headlights?
No, he just has all this.
He has eyebrows.
Yeah, he has eyebrows. And by the time this, you see how this car is flying on the side of it? It's because it was going like super fast, like that. It's going like super fast. When it's going like that, this thing is going to start flying. Like a kite. But when it's almost like a kite. Because
It's higher than me.
no, it's just on the side of the truck. It doesn't go that high. Doesn't go high. And it's almost like a diamond, but it's a square. And when it's doing a wheelie, the driver's got to make sure it's safe to come down from one.